Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So before you get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. So I'll be using home screen as an example for this. It's already open and visible on my screen, so I don't need to open up anything. Just make sure once you have your content open that it is right now visible on the screen, as for instance the home screen is for me. Once that's the case, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time, like so. You'll have the sound for it. Usually you get a pop-up. Let's try that again. Guess there is no pop-up. That's weird. Typically you would get a pop-up right here. I guess maybe there's some settings changed. Let's open up Photos and actually see if this worked. And it did. So if you go into the Photos application, you might want to select Collections, and in Collections you'll find screenshots. Now they could be visible somewhere a little bit lower here. Sometimes they don't show up as an album visible like this, but just somewhere here, like for instance screenshots. And you can see here are the screenshots that I have captured, presumably, right? For 242, 243. Yeah, so this is the screenshots that I've just captured. So that's how you capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.